Good Thursday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchers. This is your outlook for May 22nd, 2014, and we do have a concern for some severe weather today. We'll get into that in a second. First, we're looking at 4 o'clock in the morning here on Thursday, and we have this is the NAM high-res future simulated radar. There's right now, at the time this video was recorded, it's just before midnight. We had some convection that was up across, just starting to enter in northern PA, and this is what's left over of that convection as it moves to the southeast. So this is the future radar simulation at 4 a.m. So we will have some showers that are going to go through parts of our area, and this is going to quickly move off the coast. It looks like in the pre-dawn hours or just after that. So you see this is now exiting the coast. Now the question is going to become after this point, what's going to happen with the cloud cover? We have a warm front that's close to our area here, and I'll show you that here. Here's actually the current satellite image, and the frontal positions actually are where it's expected to be tomorrow morning. This is not the current frontal positions. Actually, the front is actually somewhere across to the southwest across central PA. So this is your current frontal positions. Here's that convection I told you about that's just entering northern PA that's going to move through in the wee hours of the morning. Overnight for some areas here. There's the warm front here. This warm front is very, very slowly moving to the northeast, and it's not expected to clear eastern PA at this point tomorrow morning. So, you know, this is going to take its time moving to the north, and here comes the cold front behind it. It's going to it will kick this thing out, but this area here that's in between this warm, here's the cold front right here. This is your warm front. The area in between is what we call warm sectored. And that is where you have winds that are turned to the southwest. You have significant heating in this area, and that will be a big player in severe weather, especially with low pressure that's going to be sitting up in this area here, and then this is all attached to it. So anything, you know, the best forcing will be in between this area here and further to the north. So we're hoping, if we want our severe weather outlook to come to fruition, we're hoping that this front will clear and allow for those clouds to clear as well. It's a big question mark with these clouds. The clouds are a killer. If you have the clouds, if you wake up this morning and you're looking out your window as you're watching this video, hopefully you're not driving and listening to the video at the same time. But if you're looking at the clouds and you're seeing an overcast sky, or during the duration of the morning you're still seeing overcast sky, that's a problem, because you don't have the surface heating necessary to allow these thunderstorms to blossom. If you think about a basic concept of a thunderstorm, very basic concept of a thunderstorm, it's basically formed by surface heating rising towards colder air aloft. Well, if you don't have the surface heating, it's not going to rise to the cold air aloft very fast. The faster it does so, the bigger the thunderstorms, the more severe the storms are, the more instability you have. So, you know, if you have strong surface heating, which would you get with the sun being out, very simple concept there. Sun comes out, it heats up faster, and then those you get the lift in the atmosphere is that much stronger. So, and your instability increases that exponentially because of that. So, if you want severe weather, you're going to need the sun tomorrow morning, and we're going to have to just kind of look at observation to see what we have on Thursday morning, and we'll do that during nowcasting on the Facebook page and Twitter. Looking over at our weather alert map section, and now this is showing what our call is right now, and this is assuming the sun is out. You don't have to have full sun. You can have mixed clouds and sun, as long as there's an element of sun that you can get the surface to heat. So you have the heat rising towards the cold air aloft, and you get these bigger storms firing in the afternoon. Here is the area of the highest risk in red here. This is the entire area in yellow is the severe threat area. This is the best chance within that severe area to see severe weather. So highest potential. This whole area is severe weather, and we're talking about winds that could be in excess of 60 miles per hour, hail that could reach or possibly even exceed 1 inch in diameter. Probably not too concerned with the hail as much. There are some cold, dry pools aloft of air, and that would contribute to some hail concerns as well. But I think you're probably up to 1 inch. I'm really not talking about some large hail, anything larger than that, except in extremely isolated cases. But anywhere in the green here would just be regular thunderstorms. The reason why we're not going all the way to the Jersey Shore with this, is you're going to have a little bit of a marine influence off the ocean. So because of that, these storms that are coming through here, it might form into a line as it's coming across here. As soon as it starts getting into here and runs to that marine layer, they just fizzle and fall apart like like nobody's business. Just falls apart. It looks like a strong storm's coming at you, and then all of a sudden, poof, gone. That's what a marine layer will do to you, and we're expecting it on the eastern half of New Jersey tomorrow, so not expecting severe weather there. Please follow the Facebook page for any updates today, or the Twitter page. We will be updating throughout the day with any current conditions or any updates that we have. But right now, this is our call as it stands. We put this out on Wednesday evening. Here is the GFS, and this is now looking at later overnight. Or actually, this is looking at Friday evening. Excuse me, Thursday evening. I see the showers and thunderstorms here. That's going to quickly move off, so overnight it clears out just fine. And then we're looking at Friday being a partly cloudy day, but then we're going to have a chance for a pop-up isolated showers here. You can see it here on the GFS. It's not really showing too much in the way of showers, but there still is an opportunity for a shower or even a thunderstorm with these systems in close proximity to our area here. Same thing holds true for Saturday, but I believe Saturday has even a lesser of a chance than Friday. So the best chance for the upcoming holiday weekend to have any precipitation is going to be on Friday, and then getting progressively less as we head through the weekend here. Especially, Saturday is just a very, very small chance, probably a 1 in 5 chance of seeing a pop-up shower. As you get to Sunday, that chance is gone. And European model and GFS both agree on that idea now that Sunday is clear and we're not dealing with any precipitation. So it should be a partly to mostly sunny day both Sunday and Monday, with temperatures that are going to be warm here in the mid-upper 70s on Sunday and near 80 degrees on Monday. So the second half of your weekend is definitely the better half as far as temperatures are concerned, and with no risk of precipitation. Here, we'll look quick at Monday here as we get into Monday. Here's late Monday, and you got some showers out here outside of our coverage area over the Great Lakes getting poised to hit on Tuesday, but we're not looking at any precipitation in our area for Memorial Day Monday. Again, please follow the Facebook page and Twitter for any updates on the severe weather throughout the day, and we will update as we need to. And right now we're holding to our call right now of the severe weather on the weather alert map section. You can also click in the weather alert map section for any updates and timing of the system itself and impacts for your particular area. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for May 22nd, 2014. Have a great Thursday.